Die Labia trakteer Kaapenaars reeds sedert 1949 op die beste silverskerm vermaak. Fliekgangers keer gereeld hiernatoe terug. Nie net vir gewilde kunsfilms nie, maar ook die bioskoop se eie soortige karakter. En dis hierdie bekoorlikheid van die Labia wat internasionale filmfoendies se aandag getrek het. Dit tel nou volgens die gerekende mediamaatskappy Time Out London onder die wêreld se 50 beste rolprentteaters.
I must say I feel deeply honored and very grateful, and I hope that we can reap the rewards of the award. We finished 14th.
Die eerbetoon kom egter te midde van 'n pandemie. En die teater moes onlangs weer tydelik sy deure sluit weens strenger inperkingsmaatreëls.
We most probably would have done something for our patrons, something for our staff. It's a bit tough getting it when you're closed, and we were closed for 5 months last year. We've been closed now again, we don't know for how long. It does affect our cash flow, and it does affect our ability to operate. You know, expenses continue, but the income dries up.
Kraus bly egter positief en sê hulle beraam deurgaans planne om kop bo water te hou.